Hey, what's up everybody? Ako po si Mario! I am Mario Valentino. For today's vlog, ating alamin bakit nga ba patok ang glutathione dito sa Pilipinas. So if you're looking for the best glutathione with astaxanthin and aronia berry, ito ang videong panoorin nyo dapat para aware kayo na wow, 8 enhances glutathione is really the best gluta in the market nowadays. Kaya samahan po natin si Miss Tin at saka si Ma'am Josie Tio para alamin what makes 8 enhances glutathione of Great Life different sa ibang brand.
Maraming gluta sa market kasi hindi naman tayo first time nakarinig ng gluta. So what it does, it's a small molecule with 3 amino acids and it's very, very good for the health. So the difference between our glutathione is that it also has vitamin C already. Yung vitamin C, increase immune system booster. What else? Better absorption ng gluta, improve skin texture, and ang pinakamaganda dito, aside from the aronia, narinig na kanina, right? Very high in oral property. Ilang libo? 16. Okay, thank you. And it has astaxanthin. So what is astaxanthin? Astaxanthin, if I'm not mistaken, also a superfood. Okay, baka top 2 ata siya yung superfood. Highest ORAC value ilan? 2 million. That's a 2,000. That's 2 million. Okay, that's 2.8 million. So what does astaxanthin do? Kung na-check nyo yung astaxanthin ng capsule natin, parang nasa 30 milligrams. There was a study made, 10-week na study, nagbibigay na ng 4 milligram sa mga subjects nila, yung skin moisture na retain. We're talking about 4 milligrams. How much more yung 30 milligrams? What astaxanthin does to our skin, it delays the damage caused by sunlight and UV rays. Where do we get the UV aside from sun? Sa mga ilaw. Right? So, ginawa ng astaxanthin, dinidelay niya yung pagkasira na caused by UV rays. So, bye-bye dark spots. Okay. So, I'd like to share to you our gluta. This is distilled water, okay? So, with just 1 capsule, pour everything in it. Water, just for you to see its purity. Kasi maraming gluta sa market, so then tendency you'd ask yourself na, why would I take this brand over that? Because it's pure. No binders. I did not even stir it yet. That's why it calls 8 enhance. Because it enhances the cell. Kasi yung glutathione, para siyang extra coating, extra charge ng cell natin. So next question. Is glutathione safe to be taken? Yes, because we have glutathiones in our bodies already. Do we produce gluta? Yes. But how fast? The question is how slow. It's too slow na hindi niya kaya yung free radical exposure naman natin. So that's why we need to supplement. Okay. So, that's our 8 enhances. It has whitening effect kapag in excess. What if ayoko namang pumuti? Then you just take the normal dosage. What if gusto ko namang pumuti? Then you overdose. Is there a side effect? Yes, skin whitening. Is there an adverse or bad effect? No, because glutathione is not foreign in our body. It's there na.
Okay. Our body is composed of 70% of water. Yes. The water symbolizes the blood. As we grow older, we're fond of eating cured and processed meat, canned food. If you smoke, you drink, unhealthy environment. So, anong nangyayari sa inyo? Okay? Ganito po ang nagiging itsura ng katawan ninyo. Right? Punong-puno po kayo ng toxins. Okay? Darkan pa natin. Punong-puno po kayo ng toxins inside our body. Okay? So, your stress, ano yung kinakain nyo, mga canned foods, whatever. Alright. Now, this is our glutathione. It is known to enhance our body. Okay? Very good as immune system for our immune system. What if uminom ka ng glutathione, right? Then you go out, may pollution ka na meat. Okay? Wala kang makikita po rin ito. So, kung ito, katulong ibang ginawa nilang demo, lalagyan nyo ng glutathione puputito, ibig sabihin, natatalo. Okay? You know, natatalo. So, ito talaga, absorb niya kung ano mang iinumin ninyo, alcohol, kaya i-absorb. Yan ang protection ninyo with our astaxanthin. 2.8 million oral natin.
This is how potent our products exciting.
This is my favorite glutathione brand na nakakatulong sa aking katawan, pampa-detox, pampalinis, at pampa-boost ng immune system. Kaya naman, dapat yung subukan ito. And hey guys, hope you've learned something great with our demonstration with Ma'am Josie and Miss Teen. And if you want to try this Great Life 8 Enhances a Glutathione, feel free to comment down below para naman syempre masubukan nyo po ang aming amazing 8 Enhances a Glutathione. Thank you for tuning in and for watching my video till then. And hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification down below para naman updated ka sa mga next vlogs na gagawin ko. Maraming salamat!